Coach, welcome and good afternoon. Next in line is the MTN FA Cup semi-final, all the way at Takwa against Berekum Chelsea. How prepared are your boys for this game?
We are prepared. Immediately after House of Folk, we went into preparation for the FA. So as you can see, we are even playing try matches today to make sure that all our tactical and all the dynamics in the game will be checked and then see how far we are going with our progress.
Coach, how difficult it is for you to face a coach who has won this competition before, especially looking at the fact that this looks like the surest way for us to win a silverware this season?
It's never easy. It's very difficult. I know what he can do as a coach. So we are going in. It's been long since we won one of these cups. So I think we are all eager. We are also eager to win. And I know it will not be very easy for us. It will be very difficult.
Coach, how well are your boys prepared, as in knowing that this is probably maybe our last chance at it? How are they?
Well, on the field, we've been working towards that. And then psychologically, I'm also talking to them. But my worries now is the injury situations in the team. I'm hoping and wishing that those who had injury during our class of folk will be well careful, and then we all proceed to play the knockout. I don't like changes because with consistency we can go places. So that's why I'm worried about. When you look at the team now, the injury situation is too big for me to handle, but we are going to do our best.
Coach, we wish you very well for the weekend and a safe travel.
Thank you very much. Thank you.